Hello, this is Evan with LaserPro's technical support team. In this video, we'll be replacing the fuser for the HP Color LaserJet M479. Depending on if your printer is simplex or duplex, the fuser part number will vary, but the procedures are basically the same. Refer to this table to identify whether your printer is simplex or duplex. Before attempting to service the printer, turn the printer off and wait 30 seconds. Then remove the power and data cables to avoid any possible damage to the printer. Then remove the paper tray and toner cartridges. From the front of the printer, remove the screw shown. Then rotate the printer and open the rear door. Remove the screw shown. Turn the printer so the right cover is facing you. Slide the printer slightly over the edge of the table and remove tabs 1 through 6 in that order. Once these tabs are free, unhook callout 7 to remove the cover in the direction of the arrow. From the front of the printer, remove the screw shown. Turn the printer so the left cover is facing you. Slide it slightly over the edge of the table to remove tabs 1 through 6 in that order. Once these tabs are free, unhook callouts 7 and 8 to remove the cover in the direction of the arrow. Locate the cables connecting the fuser to the engine controller. These are identified by the red callout. Before disconnecting the fuser cables, carefully disconnect and lift the ribbon cable out of the way. For duplex models, remove the 4 screws shown and remove the fuser guide. Disconnect the 2 cables from the fuser power supply and remove the cables from the guides. Remove the 3 screws shown and remove the fuser from the printer. Unpack the replacement part and install the replacement fuser into the printer. Replace the 3 screws for the fuser. Route the cables back through the cable guide and connect them back into the fuser power supply. For duplex models, replace the fuser guide and its 4 screws. Carefully hold the ribbon cable while connecting the fuser cables. Reconnect and latch the ribbon cable to the engine controller. Replace the right and left covers by reversing the removal procedures. Finally, reinstall the toner cartridges and paper tray. Now you can plug in and turn on the printer. Print a few test pages to confirm print quality. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed our content, subscribe for more and visit our website for top-of-the-line imaging parts, helpful tips, and resources.